Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm coming to you from my couch in my living room. It's kind of my little living quarters. I've always wanted to have a couch set up like this because I just think it's so cool. It feels like you're here with me, you're in my living room, we're just having a nice chat. I've welcomed you into my home. I just want to chat with you about something today, and that is doing your hair at home. My name is Lina. I'm a hair cutting specialist. All of the links are below if you want to follow me on Instagram, if you want to check out my website, all that good stuff. I got a comment on one of my videos, which is the curtain bang tutorial, and it bothered me and it rubbed me the wrong way, and I found that I was talking to my clients about it. I was like, oh, this person left this comment on one of my videos and I was so mad about it. And I wondered to myself, why am I mad about this? Like, why do I even care about trolls on YouTube or on the internet? There's a ton of them, they're everywhere. This one really rubbed me the wrong way because we have to talk about this, and that is like just doing your hair at home is okay. When my clients come to me and they tell me that they cut their own hair at home, they followed a YouTube tutorial, or they box dyed their hair, I'm like, okay, cool. All right, so what can we do to get you to where you want to be? I never judge them. I don't judge them. Maybe in the past I would have been like, oh, no. You know, I just make a joke out of it. But right now, this isn't the time. This isn't the time to judge our clients or to judge other people for doing what they have to do to survive. And I know hair is not essential, blah, blah, blah. You can say all you want about hair being not essential, but it is. When you get a good haircut and you get a good style and you get a good blowout, or your hair is growing really nice and healthy, like I'm feeling myself right now, you get this like burst of energy. You feel like yourself, you feel like you can conquer the world, that you can do anything, you can face the world. I feel better when my hair is done when I come to do videos, or if I'm on Instagram, I'm not gonna post if my hair looks bad. Like, hair is such a huge identity for us, and this has been a rough year for everybody. And I totally get it if you wanna cut your hair at home, if you wanna cut your own bangs, if you wanna try cutting your own curtain bangs, if you want to box dye your hair, go for it. Go for it. By the time I see you, we would figure out a plan to get you to where you want to be. So let me pull up this comment. I feel like I just ranted. Okay, so someone by the name of Tracy Williams left a comment saying, capital letters, thank you so much for telling people to cut their own hair. Exclamation mark, exclamation mark, exclamation mark. Videos like this make me so much money. I charge full price, $125 to fix YouTube haircuts. Please don't stop. I said to her, nowhere does it suggest to do this at home. You know, professionals also look at hair tutorials, right? Like, I'm always checking out hair tutorials. I check out Sam Villa, who's dramatically helped me change the way I do long hair. And I've been doing the shag because of him, and I've gotten super well known for it because of this free tutorial that I found on YouTube. So professionals also watch YouTube tutorials. And I said, also, people have been in lockdown for months and months, and I never judge anyone who wants to cut their own hair at home. It's such a tough time. People are broke. And what if someone discovers their passion for cutting hair because of this video and ends up going to school? Be more thoughtful in how you respond. And for the record, I also charge a lot for a good haircut. Cheers, and I hope I can send you some clients. Here's the thing, if you're gonna cut your own hair at home, it's probably because you just needed that burst of energy that you get with a new haircut. Let's talk about how stylists can judge their clients. It's just so rude when a stylist tells their client, oh, you should never cut your own hair at home. I used to get that all the time, and I learned how to cut my own hair when I had long hair because I watched my other tutorial or my other video on how I used to cut my own hair, because hairstylists never listened to me, they never educated me about my hair, and they never gave me a nice haircut. So I learned how to cut my own hair, and now I'm a hair cutting specialist. So I actually love cutting hair, and I'm good at it. So these videos can actually be very inspiring for a lot of you, and you might find that you have a passion for doing hair or going to beauty school. It could be something else, but I really love making those videos, and nowhere does it suggest in this video that you should be doing this at home. Like, oh, hey, I'm gonna teach you how to do your own hair at home. This is a hair cutting tutorial. Anyone could be watching this, and anyone could be learning how to do it. You could learn on somebody else. If your daughter wants it and you just don't have the time or the money, or you're in lockdown and you can't get her to a salon, you can try it. Why not? Hair grows back. And for me to feel like, oh, I'm just gonna charge you $125 plus for a YouTube haircut. Okay, so one of the best hairstylists in the world. Jane Matthews, Jane Ito Salon, check her out. She actually does her own hair like bang tutorial. Like, these are weird times. This is the time when we're supposed to be helping each other out and getting creative with how to pivot our business. I actually had a client do a Zoom haircut and she did a great job. I was so proud of her. She did it for her daughter. So these kinds of things are okay. And I wanted to make this video because I was just so mad at this person. I'm like, how dare you shame somebody for trying to cut their own hair? Even if you're going to use box dye to cover your grays, honestly, if you have really like black hair, really dark hair, and you just need to get rid of grays, you can use box dye because it has 20 vol, it's very strong, it's very pigmented. It works, it does the job. Professional hair is very expensive. So anyone who's going to shame somebody for not going to the salon and getting professional hair color and professional haircut, I think is just out of touch with reality and has a huge ego. And I think this is huge in the hair industry, is the ego. There's something about artists being like, well, do you know how much I charge? Well, it's not about you. We're in the customer service industry and we are here for our clients, not for ourselves. Obviously, our artwork makes us feel good about what we do and it feels amazing, but we're also a vessel. We're channels for this art. Like, I feel blessed to be able to do this kind of thing because a lot of people don't have that talent and maybe they wish that they did, but they have other talents. Everyone has a talent, everyone has a gift, and it's our job to share it with people and to educate people about it and to do it properly and to entertain as well and to inspire and to teach. And I really want to become an educator one day. So this person needs to get off their high horse and stop shaming your clients. If you are a stylist, if your stylist is shaming you or making you feel bad for cutting your hair, not a good stylist, change your stylist. Honestly, like, this whole industry needs to change. Luckily, a lot of us are changing. A lot of the people in the industry are changing, but I just wanted to put this out there and be completely transparent about how a proper hairstylist should be treating you. This attitude needs to go. This shaming needs to go. We need to talk about this. We need to end it. And everyone is free to cut their own hair if you want to. Just know that it's probably not going to grow out as well as if you were going to get it professionally done, and don't have like high expectations. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. But if you are going to cut your hair at home, check in with your hairstylist and see if they do virtual lessons. I do virtual lessons, but they're really difficult. Like, sometimes it's hard for me to like explain what I'm doing. I hope this rant wasn't too long. So let me know in the comments if this resonates with you, if you like it. Tell me if you like my new setup. Thank you for 4,000 subscribers. You guys are amazing. It makes me feel like I should just keep putting out continuous education for you. I'm working on an online course. If you guys are interested, make sure you sign up to the mailing list on my website. Thank you for watching. So I wanted to say, I'll see you in the next video.